holding my arm up. I don't normally dowse with my arm up so high. So let's just, if you guys at home or wherever you're listening, put your hand apart if you want. And I'm going to close my eyes on this. What I love about this, I know people are listening in the future also. Mm-hmm. Folks tonight for the folks in the future. And I always ask people, are you comfortable saying in the name of God? And most people say yes, but if it's divine source, creator, whatever, it doesn't matter. Find your own, what is your spiritual connection? So the hand on the heart. In the name of God, and it's appropriate. On behalf of anyone who would like to be part of the energy, now or in the future, we ask to connect to our human bodies for our good health. We ask to connect with the intelligent and beneficial energies of nature. And where my shoulders go, I know there's energy. We ask to connect with the intelligent and beneficial energies of nature. We ask to connect with the source creator. We ask to connect, I'm going to say individually, and as appropriately together, we ask to connect with our spirit teams. Say yes on this. The pendulum is confirming what we're getting. And this is key. And I ask for the assistance of beneficial beings in resonance with myself, the divine source, and each of us who can assist each of us with their accurate information to make good decisions, to take appropriate actions that result in ongoing successful outcomes. So we're throwing up into. Then we move into forgiveness, step 2. Creator, forgive me. And this is for everybody. I forgive myself. I forgive all those who've harmed me. I release them from my body, mind, and spirit. I ask all those who I have harmed to release me. So I got a yes on all of that. 4, this is the disconnect. As appropriate, we ask to disconnect the frequency of all non-beneficial energies, all non-beneficial cellular memories, all non-beneficial energy triggers, disconnect all non-beneficial psychic cords and quantum entanglements, disconnect all non-beneficial energies known, unknown, hidden, secret, stealth, disguised, repeating, residual, fluctuating, disconnect all non-beneficial energies from every aspect of our beings, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, energetically, disconnect all non-beneficial energies in all dimensions, all time frames, all realities, all frequencies that are on my shoulders. Disconnect all non-beneficial energies on an ongoing basis. And my pendulum switched over to clockwise, which is step 5 of the protocol. We ask to maximize our energies to the appropriate levels so we're each individually guided in our thoughts, actions, memories, words, beliefs, deeds, all aspects of our being, so that we may individually create successful outcomes on an ongoing basis. You notice the pendulum's going pretty fast on that. We ask to let that process continue. And these are the first 5 steps of the protocol. From here on in, you go to may I dose, can I dose, should I dose, and then you get into your topic. So when you do the dosing protocol, before you even begin, you clean yourself up. And step 8 of the dosing protocol is creating an ongoing energy system, or what I call an energy matrix. So create an ongoing energy system, and I say staffed by the appropriate beings in the appropriate place that can automatically create the conditions for successful outcome. And you notice the pendulum stopped there. You can see that. So when I'm generally doing the disconnects and the transformations, the pendulum's going very rapidly. But if there's a big problem, I use peace in the Middle East as an example, it's not going to clear up in that, likely in that session. And we can't be dosing all day. So step 8 of the protocol is an ongoing system. Automatically do it. And when you create the automatic system, the pendulum comes to a stop. And then you just carry on with your day. So that's part of the self-healing, because when we change a frequency, or in the body or in a house, you can clear up that frequency. Let's say the non-beneficial frequency has a value of 100, just to say that. So you disconnect the value of 100, but then the non-beneficial frequency might adjust to 99.9. So now your energy program doesn't hit that. So when we disconnect in all frequencies, all time frames, all realities, then that we get a more permanent fix. You know, so some people, they go into balance a house or a body, and when the practitioner comes in, the non-beneficial thing leaves, and when the practitioner leaves, the non-beneficial thing comes back in. So what we seek to do is like clear out. I always see it as a kind of a tennis bubble. You know those you get a tennis court and a bubble on top, and we do that, you know, around our bodies and around our properties. So you clean out that whole interior space, and then you can put like a membrane around that, so non-beneficial stuff can go out, but can't get back in. Good stuff comes in. So I put pictures in my head, I look at movies, all kinds of things. If you can see it, that's kind of the thing. If you can see the result, you have a good chance of creating it.
Yeah, imagination and coming up with the right questions are kind of my dowsing has been key.
Well, I really hope that people are going to come out to Red Deer on May 2 to 5 or May 3 to 5. May 3 to 5.
Yeah, the tickets are available now officially at the www.lectures.ca. I would definitely like, on behalf of the pastors and the board, I look forward to seeing you in person at the conference in Red Deer. And thank you so very much for opening this interview and for answering the questions from the people that attended. And of course, all the other wonderful questions about dowsing and stuff. And I really appreciate your story. I appreciate your book. I look forward to sharing more with you in the future.
Well, it's been a pleasure to be here. Thank you very much. And we'll see you all in Red Deer.
Definitely. Don't forget, if you want to get that color call, just email subject line Susan@Dowser.ca and the protocol is in the subject line to get that protocol sent to you.
But don't phone me.
Never phone me.
Send me an email, because I don't, you know, people, especially because we're 3 hours different. I'm in the East, right? And
almost bedtime for Susan.
Bedtime for me. So don't phone me. Send me an email, and I will. I'm very polite. I'm very polite on emails. I'm less polite on phone calls.
Thank you very much for being so polite with us. I look forward to seeing you soon. Anyway, everybody who joined us today, I know we got up almost 10 viewers there, but those of you joining us, thank you for watching. Make sure you get in touch with Susan, and make sure you like and share and everything else that we look for on the posters, and look forward to seeing everybody with the spring conference that we have. Have a great day. Goodbye.
Bye.